Welcome back. Just as we're beginning to feel a slight change in the weather, there's been a subtle change in the national news narrative about the housing market. It seems it's easing a bit. So the question is, what does it mean for our market here in Southwest Florida? Here to answer that question is Denny Grimes from Denny Grimes and team at Keller Williams Realty. Denny, good morning.
Good morning, Trace.
So first off, let's talk about our Southwest Florida real estate market. What changes are you seeing that have been so vibrant? I know you talked about us going from a fiery hot market to still a pretty hot market more recently.
Yeah, supersonic to just sonic, right? Well, what we've been talking about the last several episodes is kind of taking place. The respected news sources. Now, there's always the doomsdayers that are always saying the market's going to go to dust, right? However, the realtor.coms of the world, the Zillows of the world are starting to gently report that the market is shifting. Now, again, they typically don't want to take a negative or a pessimistic view of the market. However, they're starting to show the data and they put it into a good light because we're starting to see certain indications, certain curves, as we call it, change. We're starting to see a minor tick up in inventory, and the median price growth that was going supersonic, like we just said, is slowed down. In fact, in Lee County is level. And we're seeing homes sit on the market longer, and we're seeing fewer buyers looking. And right now there's fewer multiple offers than we've seen in a year or two. So the market is definitely going through a little bit of a shift.
So, Denny, what can we expect at this point in the coming months? I mean, as we're getting into the winter months here in Southwest Florida, we get more people down, of course, as our snowbirds, but maybe more thinking of, moving here to Southwest Florida full time.
Well, these subtle changes are actually in the buyer's favor, but it could be a little bit dangerous because buyers may be looking for something that's not going to happen. You go to Publix, you can buy one, get one free. That's not the direction the market's going. Our sales are still strong, just down a little bit. They're still much stronger than 2019. And if these buyers are, potential home buyers are coming down and they are renters now, they have to be careful because the rents are like record highs right now, and the rents are expected to go up. So if they already own a home and maybe want to buy a home, they're okay. But if they're renting, they really have to think about taking advantage of the market because rents will go up and prices are still strong.
All right, Denny, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We always appreciate you breaking down our local market and how things continue to change. Have a good morning.